Well, alright guys, yesterday I talked about these two chargers. Basically, this fantasy wireless charger compared to this 10 wireless charger here from AT&T, and what I discovered is that this one does actually charge a whole lot faster than this one. This one has better, like, cooler looking flashing lights and stuff, so it's easier to tell when it's charging and stuff. But sometimes, if you're using something a little bit more modern like this, it doesn't always start charging right away, and sometimes it'll intermittently, you see how it's not charging right now? It'll do that, whilst it doesn't do that on here. On this one, it'll charge fine no matter what you do, so that's cool. But just have that in mind, and I'm not sure if you can still buy these anyway. So anyway, for $21 you get 3 of these. That's a really good deal in my opinion. So I'll see you all in the next one.